Hello everyone, today we're gonna play some survival. Yep, I'm a little busy. So today we're gonna play some survival. Gonna name it The Adventures. Okay, so let's start this world. It takes a while. Okay, get some trees. I like this biome. Has lots of trees, you could say. Well, then we're gonna build like a nice house, and I might do some stuff like when when you're not watching. Yeah, but nah, I'm gonna do it into like a real episode. Okay, so how's it going, everyone? It's been a day, and I try to be making videos every day. Probably not every day, but I'll try my best. Let's go get some cobblestone. Good, already some coal. Yeah, this is gonna be exciting series. Yeah, and maybe once I'm done, I can try and get the map ready, and I'll be trying to make my own texture pack. Yeah, it's been 3 minutes already, so it's been quick. Yeah, this coal takes forever to mine. Not waste it and get some cobblestone first. I probably will need protection in a little while. You probably don't want to see me mine, so I'm just gonna be back once I'm done mine. Okay, so we're back. I just lost the pick, so now we can make a new one. And get the coal. We're making a little hut, not a big one. Just get some more coal. Um, now let's just in case, let's just make an axe because might need an axe and we might need some food. And I get chicken because we might need some food. Yeah, I don't know why. Ooh, that was a quick one. I just need one more sheep. And now we got 3 stuff, whatever it is. Okay, because we're gonna just make a little hut, not like a giant hut. We're not gonna make our official house, but we will someday. Okay. Okay. So let's get some stuffy. I think that's enough wood. Venezuela. I'll be back in just. Hello everyone, we're back, and when I was off, I was just getting some items. I got some cows and stuff, and yeah. Well, I got some seeds from. Um, that's cool, I guess. That's weird, but okay. I'm eating noodles if you're wondering. If you're wondering what that weird sound is. Oh, just weird. Let's just redo that. I'm just gonna try and restart one more time. I know how it works, why it doesn't work, but I know. Probably don't want to see me doing this, so I would just cut off and see you once it's done. Hello everyone, we're back and I did lots of stuff. He did lots of stuff, so looks really good. Took a while. Sorry if it took a long time. But I try and not do any more cutouts. Owie. I finished this place. Ores, blocks, wood, armor, tools, and food. And I finished that. Need a water bucket, which we need iron. And I'm gonna just do something. Well, it's already been 10 minutes. And soon I have to say goodbye because the time limit is to 15 minutes, so yeah. You probably have to make a turn just in case. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, so everything looks really nice. Yeah. Let's take this turn. Now let's go down. Can't really need. Go through it. I don't really need it. Ooh, yay, iron. That's a lot of iron. Wait, ooh, I got enough for a bucket. Yay. And I made the bedroom, the new one. The game mode says that means like I had to do some physical problems with the world, so yeah, it had some problems. So let's click it. There we go. 2 more minutes left. Then I'll do the next episode later on. And yeah. While that's melting, I'm just gonna do something. There we go. Okay, we got enough. Where'd my crafting table go? Where'd it go? I have no idea where it went. That's weird. Well, I think it's time to say goodbye, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you guys.